Hi, I'm Dawes, Quality Assurance Manager at Genesis Plastics Welding. I'm very excited to be part of Genesis Plastics Welding because in addition of doing what I love, quality assurance, it is allowing me to grow professionally and meeting new people. I was raised in northern Mexico and moved to Texas to attend college. I'm a chemical engineering graduate from Texas A&M University. Work has allowed me to live in different states in the United States, and I chose Indiana to settle and raise my family. I have more than 15 years of experience in different industries like automobile, heavy duty, building products, and medical devices, of course. Some of the certifications I have: I'm a certified Six Sigma Black Belt, internal and external auditor for both ISO 9001 and 13485, lean manufacturing, among other certifications. A typical day at Genesis Plastics Welding for me is going around the floor, doing product inspections of the parts we're manufacturing to ensure they're complying with our requirements. But most importantly, I like to make myself available to our production associates so they can come and approach me if they have any questions, which is a key goal for me and my team. My team includes a quality assurance supervisor and a quality technician, and we are both all responsible for supporting our quality management system at Genesis Plastics Welding. I'm very passionate about quality assurance because in addition of doing what I love, it allows me to use the tools and expertise to make our world better. And that's by being involved with teams who develop, manufacture, and implement devices for better customer care, for example. And then using all that data to improve our processes and products. And most importantly, it keeps me in contact with our clients, the customers, and the end users to receive that feedback and know firsthand how our products are performing on the field. I think what sets Genesis Plastics Welding aside from other industries is that there's passion among our teammates that is reflected in the daily task, and it shows in the quality of our product, processes, and service. If you want to learn more about Genesis Plastics Welding, please visit our website at genesisplasticswelding.com.